pet hair on every surface? Lingering odors that just won't go away? As autumn approaches and your pets spend more time indoors, it's the perfect moment to refresh your home with a deep clean. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to FastKlean, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our best professional cleaning tips. As temperatures drop, your furry friends shed more and stay inside longer. That means more hair, more odors, and more cleaning challenges. A proper deep clean before the cold season begins helps keep your home fresh, healthy, and inviting. Start with pet hair. It gets everywhere. Try putting on a damp rubber glove and running your hand across furniture. The hair will stick instantly. Invest in a vacuum made for pet owners, ideally one with strong suction and special attachments for upholstery. And for hard floors, swap the vacuum for a microfiber mop to catch every strand. Next, tackle your carpets and rugs. Sprinkle baking soda generously, leave it for a few hours, then vacuum. It neutralizes odors and loosens hair deep within fibers. For a deeper clean, use a steam cleaner to remove trapped dirt and bacteria, and finish with a pet-safe deodorizing spray for long-lasting freshness. Don't overlook furniture. Pet hair and smells love to settle there. Use lint rollers or sticky tape on cushions and sofas and freshen fabrics naturally with a mix of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. For pet bedding and toys, wash them regularly in hot water with pet-safe detergent. Clean hard toys with soapy water and toss soft ones in the washing machine on a gentle cycle. And finally, freshen the air. A HEPA air purifier can help remove pet dander, while a few drops of lavender or chamomile essential oil in a diffuser can safely neutralize lingering smells. Opening your windows, even for a few minutes a day, works wonders too. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to FastKlean, and share your favorite pet cleaning hacks in the comments below. We'd love to hear them.